Did you know that over half of the world's population now has access to internet? With such a vast and growing audience, web development has become a critical skill for businesses and organizations of all sizes. That's where the 6 months advanced program in web development using Python comes in. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language, increasingly used for web development. This program will provide an in-depth hands-on training experience in Python web development, covering everything from front-end design to back-end programming. Through this program, you will learn about cutting-edge web development frameworks such as Django and other essential tools like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You will also be able to create real-world projects and gain practical knowledge where you can showcase your knowledge in your portfolio and enhance your skills. The average web developer earning salary basically is $75,000 per year, and there has never been a better time to invest in your career than this. So, join our exciting journey in learning web development with the help of Python today and be a part of this cutting-edge technology. Thank you.